Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great week, and I hope you are going to have a great weekend ahead. Welcome to today's video. I am unpacking because we are going to do a weekly shopping haul. I'll just call it a weekly shopping haul, but really it's not, because there's some things I didn't buy which I already have. So let us get started. So the first item is cooking oil. This is 5 liters. Let me show the other side. Maize flour, 2 packets of black beans, 1 kilo of sugar, red kidney beans, all-purpose home baking flour, guys. As we continue watching this video, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe, and let me know which brands you use for your cooking oil, cooking flour, all that. We have dates here, and that's how the tin looks like. Okay, so all these are snacks. I'll start with these and these. More snacks. Snacks. Most of them are small size because I like something that can just be used once, not opening and using for several days. More snacks. Guys, comment and let me know what you do with cocoa shells, because to me I treat them as snacks. More cocoa shells. Snacks. So this bag is full of snacks. Actually, I didn't finish. I have 2 more. Yeah. So this bag is full of snacks. These ones are not for 1 week. They can go up to a month, even more, because you don't consume snacks on a daily basis, you know. Then here we have Brookside milk, yeah, those are for my princess. Yeah, and then let's get to the spices. I prefer buying this because I already have the tins. Yeah, and then milk for tea, milk and more milk, And then for spices, I got this paprika and the coriander powder. And I like taking chia seeds in the morning, so I always have this. Next, I got this multi-purpose liquid detergent for washing the brushing sink and the bathroom floor. And then this is the shampoo I like to use sometimes. Sorry, I mean this is the treatment. It's the same brand. Yeah, the treatment and the shampoo. Oh, and this was behind me. Whole wheat pasta. Yeah. Yeah, before I close this video, let me just go and get what I got at City Market in 1 minute. So when I got home, I had to shower and all that. I put my meat in the fridge before I wash and pack it nicely in the freezer bags. But I'll just show you. This is how it comes. Since it's leaking, I have to take it back to the freezer. So I got meat, I got liver and chicken, beef liver and chicken from City Market. Yeah, had to take it back to the freezer because it's still leaking a little. Yeah, so friends, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my shopping haul, and don't forget to like, share and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. And let me know if if you also enjoy these kinds of videos, so I can also be doing more of these. Thank you so much for joining me, and thank you for watching this video till the end. I'll see you next time.